Hello everyone. Today we will discuss Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 1 Lecture 2 Homework Solution. Exercise 1.2 Question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Now one book exhibition was held in a school and 4 days how many tickets were sold, that is given to us. So we will do like this: tickets sold on first day, tickets sold on second day, tickets sold on third day, tickets sold on final day. Total number of tickets sold. We will add all the 4 and get the answer. It is 7707. Now question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? In this one question, 3 questions are asked. First, you have to find out the total sale of 2 weeks. Secondly, in which week sale was greater? And third question is by how much? Solution is books sold in first week 2,85,891. Books sold in second week 4,768. And for total sale, definitely we will add. So it is 6,86,659. Now we can see that in the second week sale is greater. So we will write down sale of second week is greater by. Now we will find out the difference between these two. It is 4,768 minus 2,85,891. And your answer is 1,14,877. Question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 7, 2, 6, 4, 3, each using only once. Every digit you have to use only once. So first of all, we will write down largest 5-digit number by the given digits. It is 76432. That is 76,432. And smallest 5-digit number is 23,467. Now you have to find out the difference between two, which is 52,965. Question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? In one day, number of screws manufactured that is given to us, which is 2,825. Now we have to find out how many screws can be manufactured in the month of January. We know that in January we have 31 days. So screws manufactured in one day 2,825, screws manufactured in 31 days. So when the manufacturing number of screws manufactured in one day is given and we have to find out of 31 days, we will multiply. So 2,825 multiplied by 31, which is equal to 87,575. Hello everyone. Today we will discuss